is y less than 2x. So look at clue 1, and we have an inequality. Let's clear our fractions first by multiplying both sides by 4. That would be the LCD. And the 4's cancel on the left, and you're left with y less than 2 will go into 4 2 times. 2 times x is 2x. So y is less than 2x. That works. Forget about clue 1. Let's go to clue 2. And let's multiply both sides by 3 to clear our fractions. And that's y minus 2x is less than 0. Y is less than 2x. I'm adding 2x to both sides. So both clues work independently. Your answer is D. Now on the side, this has nothing to do with this problem. I just want to make sure you know. If you have negative 2x is less than 4 and you divide both sides by negative 2, you have to flip your inequality symbol. Whenever you divide or multiply both sides by a negative number in an inequality, you have to reverse your inequality symbol. In both of these cases, I multiplied one side by positive 4 and the other one I multiplied by 3. You do not flip your inequality.